Why is it that two people can start in the exact same situation? No money, no connections, no head start, and years later, one of them has completely rebuilt their life while the other is still stuck in the same spot. It's tempting to say luck, but psychology tells a different story. The people who climb out of nothing are usually running on a different set of mental rules. Here are 5 of them. 1. They train themselves to wait. Almost every person who builds wealth from scratch has mastered one uncomfortable skill, choosing the harder, slower option on purpose. This is delayed gratification, the same principle behind the classic experiment where kids who could resist one treat now got 2 treats later and went on to do better in life. People escaping poverty do the adult version daily. They skip the upgrade. They reinvest instead of rewarding themselves. They still feel the pull toward comfort, they just don't obey it. 2. They rewrite who they think they are first. Poverty isn't only financial. For many, it quietly becomes identity, a background belief that says, this is just what people like me get. People who break out flip that order. They don't wait for success to prove they're capable. They start acting like a capable person while the bank account still says otherwise. Behavior follows identity, not the other way around. 3. They stop letting feelings run the decision. Fear, doubt, embarrassment, nobody skips these on the way up. What changes is the gap between feeling something and acting on it. Instead of quitting when it stings or spending when it's stressful, they let the emotion pass through without hijacking the choice. That small pause is often the whole difference between quitting and staying consistent. 4. They move without a guarantee. The brain is wired to chase certainty. Predictable feels safe. But building anything from zero means acting before you know if it'll work. People who succeed financially aren't secretly confident things will go right. They've just built a higher tolerance for not knowing, and they move anyway. 5. They chase competence before appearance. A lot of people try to look successful before they're actually useful. The ones who rise flip that. They obsess over getting genuinely good at something because skill creates opportunity, and opportunity eventually becomes money. The image shows up later, almost by accident. None of these 5 shifts require money to start, which means the real barrier was never the empty bank account. It was the mindset sitting on top of it. If you want to keep understanding the hidden psychology behind why some people break out and others stay stuck, stay around. This is exactly what we dig into here.